Guys, we are in Hong Kong.
นี่ค่ะ
Look at here. Hi guys, we are in Hong Kong.
นี่ค่ะ
Ni hao ma.
Ni hao ma.
We're gonna go to cable car.
Welcome to Hong Kong.
Welcome to Hong Kong. Look at this. No burger in my life.
She looks like a famous person. Hello.
540. 540.
The 74 all of us or for each other.
Cheers! We got a ticket. Yay!
Oh, now we're rolling.
Talk
Hi, guys.
anything.
So we just bought the tickets for the cable card, and now
He's tour
we're
guide.
just excited. We don't know what's gonna happen, right, girls? Do we know what's gonna happen? Okay.
Yes.
So they know. I don't know what's going to happen.
I am the followers. I will go everywhere you guys going.
Okay, she's the follower. She's the Christ follower.
What crime?
Thank you, sir.
Each cabin has a capacity of 10.
We're gonna go in cable car. We ready now.
Are we gonna like go in the same cabin? Oh.
Yalla, this is first time though for me. For me. Using this.
We will have our faces in the videos.
Wow.
I hope this doesn't bother me. I'm not hitting on you.
Oh no, I hope this doesn't bother you to fight along with my
Well,
legs.
see,
or
like
legs, sorry.
you can see.
It's not going that fast.
Yes, please.
We can have like.
Your phone, your phone.
Yeah.
It's like roller coaster.
Yeah, exactly.
Yalla, take a picture together.
Right now, we do
No,
it
it's
with
not
what? Girl, with cables and stuff? With concrete? It gets nicer this room though.
You want take a picture of you together?
No, later.
Later?
Like when we're going to have like views.
Views.
Samira. I'm so glad I
What
went
do you
with
feel?
you guys.
What do you feel?
I feel amazing.
What do you feel?
I'm
Like a
thrilled.
reporter.
Yeah,
More
exactly.
What do you feel?
Bored.
Bored?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Going. Okay, now is a good time for pictures, I think so.
When you get up there.
So, shall we get our pictures,
Yes.
girlies?
Oh, but I'm
But like-
afraid though. Come here.
Whoa, whoa. I have a phone in here.
Oh, honey, you go grab them.
Maybe we can get like in, like, we can stand up, all of us?
Yeah.
Not stand up. Then you.
Yeah, let's stand up because like there is not enough space for us to like. Girls,
Yeah.
Ready?
to the camera,
Ready?
girlies.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Just do multiple
One more
pictures.
time. Quickly. 1, 2, 3.
I love it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wanna take a picture?
You want pictures as well?
Want picture as well?
We're okay. We're fine. Thank you.
All right.
Thank
Thank you.
Wow.
It's beautiful. So pretty. Man, I got a nice little breeze.
The weather is amazing.
Yeah, the weather is amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just look at her. Girly.
Yeah.
Let's take selfies. But not here. Like, I think the first like they
If I had a glass
put the
floor, I
cable
would
like
be shaking
on the
right
ground and then like
Yes, I will be like.
what?
If we had the glass floor, I would be shaking right now.
You will see water.
Yes, the water that's gonna dump if you fall.
You know, there is a building in Dubai, you know, without floor, like a glassy floor, a high building.
Yeah, I know that the.
Oh, I couldn't stand there.
You're scared of heights.
What? We are arrived, everybody.
Come here. Okay, we're centered.
Okay.
Okay, welcome to Hong Kong.
Welcome to Hong Kong. Hi.
It was fun riding with you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. It was fun riding with you as well. I loved it.
Yes.
Have a good time in Hawaii.
Thank you.
Back home.
Thank you.
But in Hong Kong as well.
Yeah, thank
Yes,
you.
thank you.
For how long are you going to be here?
Just 3 days and then we jump on the boat.
Oh yeah.
Go on the Asian cruise.
Okay, true. Yesterday we have a passengers with the voyage. I think it's gonna be the same. Yeah.
Celebrity?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be same.
Yes.
Oh yeah, they were.
Yeah, celebrity voyage. Have fun.
Oh yeah, hopefully.
And I'm like, I was wrong.
You know, I really want to go to cruise.
We will go. We can go together.
Yeah. So
Continue.
guys, we arrive
And we will go to
at
cruise after
Big
this one.
Buddha. I want to go to the cruise after this and go to Turkey to do BBL.
You're such a silly goose.
You know what is BBL?
Oh, those are like. The girls, they bought like. The
You
girls bought a
buy
hat.
the hat.
I bought a hat. We bought a hat.
You buy the new hat.
It's like a fisherman hat, but I'm all for it. And
Okay, tell me what you buy.
it's a t-shirt. No, it's a cute Japanese bag. Okay, guys, right now we're going to do an unboxing of all this stuff
Let's
that we
go to
got.
unboxing.
I love it. Hey,
I'm
So-
hungry. This city is so beautiful.
it's very pretty. I love it. Okay, so this is unboxing. We got a small
I wait here, okay?
Japanese bag. Look at this.
It's bag? It's not bag. Boy,
It's a little bag.
this is so small.
Look at my feet right now. Wait. Look at the feet. The feet. You have to like film the feet. Like film. Like
Where you go, girl?
we got drip. We've got drip. I'm sorry. We're pretty drippy here.
Okay. And what else you buy?
Okay. I mean, it was like the gift for you and like the.
And this is gift for me. And this
Yeah.
is what is this?
Basically, you
This is a wristband or what?
basically you will write here, you know, something beautiful.
Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you for the gift.
You're most welcome.
You want to go toilet? I'm hungry actually. But I won't eat Chinese food. I really love Chinese food. So delicious.
How much memory do you got on this camera? Like, how much can you film on it?
Actually, I don't know.
Okay, we're going to test the memory right now in this way.
I only know this battery can hold until 2 hours only.
David,
Uh,
you're a good girl. You're a good girl, girlie.
I'm a good
But aren't you
girl.
like hot? I'm hot.
You hot?
I'm hot. Of course I'm hot.
Oh, I'm also hot. So which one hotter than me or him?
You got it?
Does it look like it's not on my head? And I have a gift for you. You've got matching gifts. Like
he bring gift for
you
everyone.
have like to write something in here. But I think that you have like you know, like you have to use like a metal in fire to like carve it. You know what I'm talking about?
I know.
Let's go find Big Buddha.
There should be like somewhere like deep. We're spending our time.
We arrived at Big Buddha and now photographer session. What your wish for?
Can you do that?
Wait.
It doesn't matter, but I have like a wrong picture, you know? Don't, like, it could be wrong. We're going up. Where are we going? Up. Where are we going?
And I'm
There you
using
go.
a code. Like this is totally not cold at all.
But we're surviving.
I will
guys.
survive. It's okay. I a little bit sauna. I will burn all my calories. So after here, I go slim. So slim. Woo!
Yeah, we're getting that job.
Thank
tiny way.
you. Enjoy.
Oh yeah, we will need as well. I hope after this I still can do two trolley,
We will sleep.
2 carts. Now I know my health is so weak. Really. I need to do more gym and cardio.
Girls trip! Everybody say girls trip! Girls trip!
Girls dream! Girls dream!
Cow Street.
Not only.
So we're going home now.
saying, like, even like,
Depends
if you're
what
going-
time
So tired after
you're gonna go. You're gonna
stepping a lot of stairs.
I think